السلام عليكم ورحمة الله. Our lesson today إن شاء الله continued proportion. If A, B, and C are set to be in continued proportion, if A over B equals B over C. Here we have three quantities A, B, and C. If A over B equals B over C, then we can say that A, B, and C in continued proportion. In continued proportion, such that A is called the first proportional, B is called the middle proportion, and C is called the third proportional. Again, here we have only three quantities A, B, and C. We can say that A, B, and C in continued proportion if A over B first divided by second equals second divided by third, A over B equals B over C, such that A is called the first proportional, and B is the middle proportional, and C is the third proportional. Remark: A over B equals B over C. We said yes equals M, as we said it before in the properties of proportion, equals M constant. Then we can write B equals Cm, start from the ratio beside M, beside the constant, then B equals Cm, and A equals Bm. Yes, A equals Bm. Substitute B by Cm, then A equals Cm power 2. Again, this part, B equals Cm. B equals Cm. Cross multiplication. B over C equals M, then B equals Cm. By the same way, A over B equals M, then A equals BM. BM, but we have B equals CM. Substitute B equals CM, then A equals CM power 2. Then keep it as B equals CM and A equals CM power 2. And this is the key for solving any question. Number 2, if A, B, C, and D are in continued proportion, how can I write the ratios? A over B equals B over C equals A over B. A over B, start from B again. B over C, start from C again. C over D equals the constant M, equals the constant M. M or N or L or K as you write. Again, A over B, start from B again, B over C, C over D equals M. B, B, C is the reason for its name continued proportion. Then we can write the key of our solving today. C equals DM. I said start by the ratio beside the constant. C equals dm. C equals dm, and I will write the letters up. C equals dm. Then B equals C, no, dm power 2, yes, and A equals dm power 3. Then C equals dm, B equals dm power 2, and E equals dm power 3. Don't forget to start by the ratio beside the constant. C equals dm, then B equals dm power 2, then A equals dm power 3. And in any question, I will write this key and start solving our questions. Example number 1. Find the middle proportion between 2 and 18. The middle The middle proportion is missed here. Then the first, right. Let the middle proportion be x. Let the middle proportion be x. Then 2, x and 18 are in continued proportion. Then 2 over x equals x over 18. Yes. Then cross multiplication, then x power 2 equals 2 times 18 equals 36. Then x equals positive or negative 6. By the same way, we can find the first. He asked me to find the first proportion, or find the third, or find the middle. Then the missed part, let the missed be x, and write the ratio, then find the missed. Example number 2. If B is the middle proportion between A and C, B is the middle proportion, then we can write the letters A, B, and C. A, B, and C. Then A over B equals B over C equals M. A over B equals B over C equals M. Then B equals Cm, yes, and A equals Cm power 2. B equals Cm and A equals Cm power 2, and this is the key. Prove that B minus C divided by A minus B all power 2 equals C over A. Prove that, we said, must take the right hand side, LHS, at the first, then take left hand side or right hand side, left hand side, as you like. Then left hand side equals, I will substitute B by Cm and substitute A by Cm power 2. Then we have in the numerator Cm minus C divided by Cm power 2 minus Cm all power 2. Don't forget all power 2. The second step, as we said before, take HCF, highest common factor. In the numerator, we have C common factor, then C, open bracket, the remainder M minus C divided by C equals 1. Then C, open bracket, M minus 1 divided. In the denominator, we have Cm common factor, then the remainder from the first Cm power 2 divided Cm equals M minus Cm divided Cm equals 1. We can cancel the bracket up and the bracket down, M minus 1, M minus 1. Then the remainder, I cancel C up and C down. The remainder will be 1 over M all power 2 equals 1 power 2. Distribute the power over dividing, the division. Then 1 M power 2 equals M power 2. Then the final result 1 over M power 2. By the same way, take the right hand side, C over A. I will write C as it is, divided by A equals Cm power 2, Cm power 2, cancel C with C, then RHS, right hand side equals 1 over M power 2. Consider LHS number 1, RHS number 2, then left hand side equals right hand side. Example 3. If A, B, C, and D are in continued proportion, we have here 4 quantities. Prove that C power 2 minus D power 2 over A minus C equals B, D divided A. Where is the key? Write A over B equals B over C equals C over D equals M. A over B. Starting by B again, B over C, C over D equals M. Write the key. To write the key, start by the ratio beside the constant, then C, the letter up equals D, M. Directly B equals Yes, dm power 2 and a equals dm power 3. And take right hand side and left hand side. uh, I see here the right hand side more easier. Then take the right hand side as the first, as you like. Take left hand side as you like. Left hand side equals c power 2. See here dm, then dm all power 2 equals d power 2 m power 2. Distribute the power over multiplication. D power 2 m power 2 minus d, write d as it is, super excellent, d power 2 divided by a equals dm power 3, write dm power 3 minus c dm. The second step, take, yes, take highest common factor. Since the highest common factor in the numerator equals d power 2, remainder m power 2 minus 1. Take d power 2, and here we have d power 2, d power 2, open bracket, d power 2 m power 2 divided d power 2, the remainder will be m power 2 minus d power 2 divided d power 2 equals 1. By the same, we have here dm, dm, d and d, m power 3 and m takes the lowest power. Then the highest common factor dm, dm power 3 divided dm, cancel d with d, m power 3 divided m equals m power 2. When we divide, subtract the power, minus dm divided dm equals 1. Cancel the bracket up and the bracket down. Cancel d from down with power 2. Then the remainder will be d over m. Then left hand side equals d over m. This is the first step. This is number 1. Take right hand side equals b d, b equals dm power 2, write dm power 2, substitution, times d, write d as it is with d letter in denominator, I will write it as it is, divided by a equals dm power 3, dm power 3, cancel d with d, cancel m power 2 with m power 2, super excellent, m3 equals m power 2 times m, the remainder will be m, denominator equals d, and here we have m, then right hand side equals d over m, then left hand side equals right hand side. Our lesson today so easy. Try to solve more exercise and complete inshallah next session. Thank you for listening.